Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. Now if you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates at the earliest. Nomura Singapore has bought 1 lakh shares of a microcap company at ₹61. This company seems to be a very small company and is still loss making. While you watch this video, please do keep in mind that this is a very small investment on part of the company because they have a huge corpus and this could be more of a speculative bet. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is GSS Infotech Limited, which is available at 61.85 and the symbol for it is GSS. Now GSS Infotech Limited is engaged in computer programming, consultancy and related activities. The company operates through the software services segment. The company is specialized in remote infrastructure management services, virtualization solutions and application management services. Now the 1-year chart would show that this company has had a good run recently, but in the market correction this had also corrected. Of late, however, there was a huge spike over the last few days. The market cap of the company is 104.75 crores, which means that the company is still a microcap one. The book value is 62, which translates into a price to book ratio of 1, which appears cheap. However, the company being loss making is a point of concern. The industry P is 21.60, which means that the companies in this industry generally trade at reasonable valuations. The company did not pay out any dividends and the promoter holding is very low at 16.29. Now friends, just keep in mind that this is a very small investment on part of Nomura, which is a financial behemoth. There were also a lot of other bulk deals yesterday in the same company, which we could not accommodate here because of space constraints. Now friends, please don't just jump in. Please go ahead and do your own research. And if you are benefited by the content on this channel, please don't forget to share this video. Thanks for watching and we will see you soon with another video.